Very good. Look at her go. Pedal and turn. Way to go, Claire. That's fantastic. I think you've got it down. No, you've got it down. It's just a figure of speech.
Why?
Why? I don't know. Yeah, I'm just standing here on the rug because I'm taping a video of you riding the bike. Pedal and turn. There you go. Look at her go. Another snow day. Claire, are we having another snow day?
Yeah.
Are you staying home with Mommy?
Yeah.
Isn't it fun? Look at her go. Pedal and turn. Very nice. You're doing a great job, sweetie. Pedal and turn. That's the way. You've got it figured out.